In this video, I'm going to explain how you can change your bank account in Cash App. So first, you will need to load up the application and log in with your account. Now, once we have been logged in, we want to click on the profile icon in the top right corner here, and then you will see the section for linked banks in the third slot here. So just click on linked banks, and right here, you will be able to see your linked bank. Now, how do we actually do this? You want to press and hold onto the linked bank that you want to remove, and then you will simply select remove right about here, and I'm going to show you this right here. So it will show you like so, like I said, select linked banks and then select the bank account that you want to replace or remove. So just click on it and hold, and then you will see tap remove bank or replace bank, and you will just simply have to follow the prompts, and that's how you change your bank account. You remove it and then you add a new one in Cash App. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.